Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Matt with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number 2394, super nice 2007 Yale GLP050VX. This is a Lowe's lease return unit. Literally the nicest, lowest application forklifts in the used forklift world. We get them in, we don't have to do a whole lot to them, which is nice. This unit is a 5,000 pound. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast, does approximately 189 inches worth of max lift height. The unit does have side shift and an LBR, load backrest. It's got excellent solid pneumatic tires. Nice and tall up there. It's got a smooth running Mazda LP gas 4-cylinder engine. You can check out this forklift at either store in Denver or Fort Collins, or online at abetterforklift.com. We appreciate you watching. Thank you very much.